In 2008, the new Prestan Professional Adult Manikin was created to address the challenges faced by both instructors and students in basic life support training. In fact, it was the first really substantial improvement in CPR AED mannequin design in over a decade. Prestan has now taken these advancements to the next logical level with the Prestan Professional Infant Manikin, the only truly innovative professional infant manikin available today. The Prestan Professional Infant Manikin integrates all of the advantages of our adult manikin with features appropriate for an infant. It combines remarkable ease of use with truly intuitive feedback for CPR rate, depth of compression, and rescue breathing. Instant reactive feedback that lets students see and feel that they're performing the techniques correctly. For instructors, quick assembly is key, and again, Prestan sets the standard. Like the adult manikin, the top of the torso opens easily. The insertion of the lung bag face shield is still a breeze. Simply fold the lung bag face shield lengthwise along the dotted lines, tilt the head allowing for a clear airway, and slip the lung bag down through the mouth where it can be pulled out and aligned over the compression plate. The face shield is then secured to the head by hooking the tabs over the buttons found under the ears. The clamshell chest is then closed by securing the clasps. No parts, clips, or pistons to lose. No valuable training time wasted. The head of the manikin is designed with realistic infant features to encourage practice in the way an infant's head needs support, as well as a realistic head tilt. The torso displays prominent shoulder blades and an accurate nipple line. The entire body, including the arms and legs, look, feel, and act in a realistic manner. From the separation of the toes and fingers to the proportion and weight of this manikin, it all adds up to a realistic experience for the student. When you touch the infant manikin, you'll feel the molded, pliable skin. This durable, elastomeric material proven on the Prestan Professional Adult Manikin is specifically formulated to resist dirt, grime, and grease. It's easy to clean using common cleaning methods used by instructors. The Prestan Manikin is designed to teach a correct head tilt chin lift for opening the airway. If not done correctly, the head will automatically come forward and the airway closes. The chest will rise only when the proper amount of air is blown in and the head is tilted. The unique lung bag design fits flush over the mouth and nose area, providing a clean, sanitary surface for each new use. If you wish to have multiple students share a manikin and lung bag, it's easy. Just add Prestan's individual filtered face shields right over the lung bag. What also sets this unique manikin apart are the ways it provides immediate audible and visible feedback for chest compressions. As the chest is compressed, whether using the 2-finger or the 2 thumbs encircling hands technique, an audible clicker sounds at the industry-recommended compression depth, and the chest rebounds fully. Full compression, full release. And like the Prestan Professional Adult Manikin, the entire chest compression mechanism has been tested to over 500,000 compressions. One of the most difficult skills for students to master is the proper rate of compressions. The Prestan Professional Infant Manikin self-teaches this with instant feedback. In the front of the diaper area, 4 built-in bright lights illuminate to provide feedback as students practice to reach the recommended 100 compressions per minute. Simply turn on the lights by pushing the convenient on and off button and begin. At less than 60 compressions per minute, the red light is lit. From 60 to less than 80 compressions, the yellow light comes on. At a rate of 80 to less than 100 compressions per minute, 1 green light lights up. And at the recommended 100 compressions, the second green light also comes on to reinforce proper rate. If the student slows down, the corresponding light will go out, indicating that the student needs to increase his or her rate. And if you don't remember to turn the rate monitor off when training is finished, it will automatically shut itself off in 10 minutes to conserve battery life. The rate monitor is powered by two AA alkaline batteries that can also last 500,000 compressions. Most importantly, students know instantly when they've found the proper rate. With a clicker reinforcing proper compression, students get total interactive feedback, while instructors can evaluate student performance at a glance and provide the most effective coaching. Result? Effective, positive learning, much faster. Students see, hear, and feel the correct technique. They self-teach as they practice. It's so simple and intuitive, they just get it. For another truly unique and innovative teaching and learning experience, I urge you to consider the Prestan Professional Infant Manikin today. This mannequin was conceived, designed, and engineered to address the needs of both instructors and students, and is also extremely affordable. Contact your Prestan Manikins distributor for further information.